cos theta y, and Fz, that will be equal to F cos theta z. So these are the components of the force, and these are the inclinations, theta x, theta y, and theta z. They are the inclinations which F actually makes with the individual axis actually. I cap, j cap, and k cap are the unit vectors along the x, y, and the z directions. So if we want to find out what are the direction cosines in the directions, so L, M, and N, x, y, and the z directions. So that should be given by cos theta x. M will be equal to cos theta y, and similarly N, that will be equal to cos theta z. So this we will be using to arrive at the direction cosines of the force vector. So for the direction cosines, we know that L square plus M square plus N square, that is equal to 1. So if we could like express this vector f, so this vector f can also be written as, so we can take this f as common. So if I put this entire thing in this expression, so if I can take as common, so I should be getting L I cap plus k cap plus n k cap. So that I can write it as f. So this is the magnitude of the force actually into a unit vector in the direction of the force. So we can arrive the vector f, that is actually given by the magnitude of vector to a unit vector in the direction of the force. So this nf cap, or whatever you call it, any name that you can call it. So in this book it is written like nf cap. So this nf cap is a unit vector in the direction of the force. So if we could determine this nf cap, we would be able to determine the f vector actually. So there may be many problems. So in some problems, you might be needing to apply the concept of direction cosines. So based on the problem type actually. So either in the problem you will be given the just in the 2D case, we had the force was passing through 2 points. So in this case, you are having the force is passing through 2 points A and B. So the so A is having some coordinates x1, y1, z1, and B is having some coordinates x2, y2, and z2. So in this case, actually, you have to determine that. So just in the 2D case also, we have solved this. So if we need to find out the force vector, so the force vector will be the magnitude of the force into a unit vector in the direction of the force. So unit vector in the direction, so AB. So once you know AB actually, so this we had done in the 2D. So similar things we will be doing in the 3D also. So suppose this is the point A and the point B. Suppose so the force is pointing in this direction. So suppose the force is somewhere around here. So this is vector F. So so the direction of the force that can be specified by this AB actually, this vector AB. So the force vector that can be written as the magnitude of the force vector if that is given or known into n AB cap. So if I can find a unit vector in the direction of AB, I will be able to determine the vector F. So vector F that should be given by, so that is the magnitude of the force into vector of AB divided by I. Actually, so just this we'll be using today. The position vector is the coordinates of the points A and B. So let this be x1, y1, z1, and the coordinates point 2 let this be x2, y2, z2. So in that case, the position vector AB that should be equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y cap plus z cap divided by the magnitude actually. So magnitude is this length actually. So just based on this x2 minus all these things. So this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So if this thing is x2 and all these coordinates are known, so using that we can determine vector f. So this is one method that we use actually. So method of position is actually. So you are having this one, so you are having and point. So just find the position vector actually. Or if you know, so that so actually that doesn't play any part in calculation of the force actually, since it's a vector quantity. So this is AB. So this is actually ROA. So this is ROA, and this was ROB. So you are supposed to find out RAB. ROA plus ROB. So ROA plus RAB, that is equal to ROB. So that RAB, so that is actually given by vector ROB minus vector ROA. So now if you know the coordinates, actually you can directly determine the things. So the best thing here is that this doesn't depend on the choice of the coordinate system. So for such kind of problem, system doesn't hold this, because you can understand that O can anywhere the coordinates of the that coming into picture. So for all these sort of problems, actually the force dependent on its magnitude and the coordinates actually. So the choice origin, where is the origin located, or you can choose the origin by yourselves also. Because you are able to understand what I am telling just from the viewpoint of solving the problem. So you can choose the origin anywhere for all those problems. That doesn't, or that will rather not change the answer. ঠিক আছে? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next there will be certain problems where we will be given the inclination of the forces. So let me draw this one. This is in the book also. You can refer to the book also, but I am trying to draw this one. So যেটা বলি আর কি যে মানে এখানে ড্র করাটা খুবই মুশকিল। So ক্লাসে যেরকম বোর্ডে drawing something on the board is easier actually, very much easier. So just you can refer to the book also along with this one. So that you are having a force vector. So this is the vector F force. So actually, so this force actually it will be having some inclination. So this force it will be having two components. So if I now draw the components of this force actually, so it will be having one component that will be lying on the xy plane. So if I could draw the component, so I'm just using a different color and not the dotted lines actually, so that the things are clearer. So this force that will be having two components. So one component will be lying on the xy plane and another component will be lying on the z plane. Again, that xy component, I can break it down into two components. So let us find out what are the components of this force. So the components of this force, so this one is actually fxy. So this is the component of the force lying on the xy plane. So this I am calling it as fxy. So this fxy, how to determine this fxy? So the inclination of the force vector with the xy plane. So let us call that as phi. So let us call this one as phi. So the inclination of the f vector with the xy plane. So let us call it as phi. So in that case, we will be able to write down the components actually. So I will be actually having two components. So one component will be the fxy, the component of the force lying on the xy plane. So that should be given by f cos phi. And fz, the other component, the z directional component, that will be actually given by f sin phi. Clear? So now let us break this component. So now if you know this inclination, a inclination ta jodi jana thake, so this is the inclination in the xy plane. So this phi was an inclination in the this plane actually, 3D plane actually. So I am just now considering the xy plane, so that this inclination is theta. Okay, so if this inclination is theta, now let me break the fxy component into two parts actually. So I am just drawing a single line. So this is a single line I am drawing. So I am completing this parallelogram actually. So this one is the fx. So this component is actually এটা black করে দিই. So this component is the fx. So এই কম্পোনেন্টটা হচ্ছে তোমার fx. This component is actually fy, and a component, this component is fz. So parallel to the xy plane, actually you have to draw this line. So it will be meeting somewhere around here. So you will be having this component. So this component is actually the fz component of the force. So fz is actually known to us. So what are fx and fy? So fx will be actually now equal to fxy. So now I am breaking this force fxy. So that is equal to fxy cos theta. So you can write, you know, fx actually, fxy. So that is f cos phi cos theta. So this is the expression for fx, and similarly you can calculate fy. So fy will be equal to ki hobe? That should be equal to fxy sine theta. So what is fxy? So fxy is actually f cos phi into sine theta. So once all those things are known to you, you can complete this problem. So now you can calculate fx, you can calculate fy. Only things to be known is the magnitude of the force and all those inclinations. So once all those inclinations are given, once you know these things, the inclination phi in the 3D plane and this inclination theta actually in the 2D plane, XY plane. So you can calculate this, and if you know the magnitude of F, you can calculate the F vector. So this can be a different sort of problems where the inclinations are actually given. So you don't need to go for the like position vectors and all those things. So just the inclinations are given. From there you can compute the force vector. Okay. So the last thing in our discussion is the dot product of the two vectors. So আমরা যখন আবার moments এ যাব, next class we will be discussing moments in 3D actually. তখন then we will be discussing regarding the cross product. So today just we are discussing the thing cross product of two vectors in 3D actually. So you know these things. So this is the cross product of two vectors. So suppose I am having two vectors. So they are in 3D now. Just in the last classes we had discussed regarding the cross products, but they were in 2D. So let us assume that we are having two forces. So this is P and this is the Q vector. So it is applicable to any vector, not only force, moment, anything like you consider. So let us assume that the included angle is theta. So in that case, if I need to find out the cross product of the dot product of the two vectors, so P dot Q that should be equal to magnitude of the vector P into magnitude of the vector Q into cos theta. So so uh, So now if I need to find out cos theta, so there may be certain problems where you need to find out cos theta. So that cos theta will be given by vector P dot vector Q divided by magnitude of the vector P into magnitude of the vector Q. So if you need to find out cos theta, so this can be an expression. What else? আচ্ছা, প্রজেকশনটা আমি পরেই না ডিসকাস করে দেবো দেখি। ঠিক আছে, প্রজেকশনসটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি নেক্সট চ্যাপ্টারে আছে। আমি প্রজেকশন হাউ টু ক্যালকুলেট দ্য প্রজেকশনস উই ক্যান ডিসকাস ইন দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাস অ্যাকচুয়ালি। ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়াও, জাস্ট হোল্ড এ মিনিট। Okay. So let us complete here itself. এটা আমি এখানে complete করে নিতে চাইছি regarding the projection actually. So regarding projection actually, so just the last thing actually I am drawing just in a different manner actually I am drawing. So let this be the P vector and let this be the Q vector. So this Q vector actually it is having some direction. So let that direction, let me call it as L actually. ঠিক আছে? Any direction actually. So this P that will be having some projection on this one. So it is actually under a like coordinate system. So let this be X. You are having this one as Y, and in this direction let this be Z. So if I need to find out what is the projection of this force on this vector actually. So suppose, so this Q, so suppose Q can be a vector, Q can be a direction or anything else. So anything like it can be a Q, can be a unit vector also. So if I need to find out what is the projection of this force P on all on the line OL actually. So OL is any direction. So what is the projection of this force on any direction OL? So in this direction OL, say suppose I am having a force Q. So let this angle be theta, and I need to find out POL. So what is POL? POL, or you can call it as PQ also. So POL is the uh, projection of the force Q or the vector Q in the direction of the vector Q. So how to find out the projection of a vector on a given axis, or how to find out the projection of a vector over on another vector. So what will be POL? So if I could write, so just 1 minute. So this POL, so that should be equal to P cos theta. So let us find out what is the uh, dot product of these two vectors. So the dot product of these two vectors, P dot Q, that should be equal to PQ cos theta. So what is this P cos theta? So this P cos theta, this actually corresponds to the your projection of the force in the A direction. So POL, that is actually P cos theta. So that is vector P dot vector Q divided by magnitude of the vector Q. So what is this one? So if I could combine this one, so what is vector Q divided by the magnitude of the vector Q? So that is vector P into a unit vector in the direction of Q actually. So in the direction of L, or just any like, let me represent it by say lambda actually, or lambda cap rather. So you have to find the dot product. So if I need to find out the position vector, if I need to find out the projection of a force on any axis or over another vector actually, so what I have to do is I have to find out the dot product of the force and a unit vector in the direction of the vector Q. So if this one is known actually, so since these things are known, so let us calculate here. So what will be the projection POL? So POL is actually, so let me do it on a different page actually. I'll be needing some space. So the POL, so POL, that is equal to vector P into lambda cap. So what is vector P? So vector P, you can write it as Px I cap plus Py j cap plus Pz k cap into lambda. So unit vector. So the unit vector I can be having, say suppose I am having its so in this one you can see actually. So a unit vector I can represent the unit vector in terms of Li plus m in terms of say. So let us take it as what is given in this book itself. So we can call it as either cos theta x, cos theta y, cos theta z, or they have represented it by alpha actually. So just let me check what is alpha. X second. So the unit vector, they have represented it. So any unit vector, either you can represent it by, so any unit vector, either that I can represent it by say cos theta x. But if we let me write it using cos theta x itself, you can follow the thing from the book also. So that depends on the problem. So that is cos theta x I cap plus cos theta y j cap plus cos theta z k cap. So once these things are known, so just you have to find out px into cos theta x plus py into cos theta y plus pz into cos theta z. So this cos theta x, cos theta y, and cos theta z, they are the direction cosines along the vector q. So just write down, or if they are represented by alpha, beta, and gamma. So in the book, actually, they are represented by alpha, beta, and gamma. So you'll be getting an expression like this. So this will be px alpha plus py beta plus pz gamma. So if in the problem you are given the angles, just calculate the direction vectors like this, or if you are given this thing, so just calculate the direction vectors alpha, beta, and gamma. So just write it down. So this is the final expression. So this is the magnitude of the force into this one. So this is the final expression that you should be getting. So just write it down. So just follow the method I'm doing actually. So this POL. So POL is this one. So components of the force. So that depends on the problem, on which way the problem is going, on what are the things that are given. So I'm core board. Next we'll be doing the problems now. So so just write down cos theta x, cos theta y, and cos theta z. They are the direction cosines along the vector q. Or bracket A, just write down line OL. That can be any direction, that can be any vector. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So either you can take OL to be a direction, or you can take it as a vector. You just find out a unit vector in the direction of q. That is what is done in this book actually. So let's do some problems, so the things will get clearer. So angle between two vectors that I had discussed. So just let's move on to problems. Okay, instead of going for theory. So let's move on to some problems so that these things start getting clear. So let's start with the first problem. So in 293, you can see that there is a transmission tower, and that is put into position by 3 cables actually, as shown. So the cable AB carries a tension. So where is the cable AB? So you can see that there is a cable AB on the left side. So cable AB carries a tension of 12 kilonewton, and we have to express uh, the corresponding force on the point A as a vector. So on the point A, actually, you have to determine the vector T. So how to do this one based on our discussions. So just I am starting the problem. You have to finish it. Okay. So in the problem, I'm not drawing the problem. I hope the book is with every one of you. So I need to find out vector T actually. So vector T will be the magnitude of the vector T into a unit vector in the direction of AB. So the string, actually the direction of the force is not clearly given in this problem actually. So it's actually pointing in the direction AB. So just I have to find out the AB vector. So that AB vector, so how to find out this AB vector? So this I can write as vector T into vector RAB divided by magnitude of the vector RAB. So let's calculate what is RAB. So RAB, so just I had discussed actually. So whenever you are doing this one, so you find out the coordinates actually. So best thing is you find out the coordinates. So in this case, see, there is the origins are given actually. So based on the origin O, actually you find out what is the coordinate of the point B and what is the coordinate of the point A. And let us write it down. So let us write down the coordinates of the point B, and let us write down the coordinates of the point A. So what are the coordinates of the point B? Based on this origin actually. Just I have told that you can choose the origin anywhere actually. I can take B itself as the origin. That will simplify the problem very much easier. So let's do, since in this problem we are given a origin somewhere like X, Y, and Z. So let us do this problem based on the origin actually. So what are the coordinates of the point B? So the coordinates of the point B is X is, I think you can see like X is actually your 35, positive 35. Are you able to follow? From this point 0, this B is actually 35. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what is Y? So what are the coordinates of the point Y? So Y is this direction. So this is the Y direction. Should I draw it? It a draw correct too difficult. That is why I am not drawing this one. So just
No,
move
sir.
to the Y direction. So you can see that B is actually in the negative Y direction. It is behind actually the point, this X axis. ठीक है? So you can see that the y coordinate, that is actually, so from this point it is 25. So we have to take it as minus 25. And what is the z coordinate of the point P? So it is, you can see that above the x-axis. So it is just on the xy plane. So above the xy plane, it is 10 millimeter actually. So that is 10 k cap. And if I take the point A actually, so what are the coordinates of the point A? So A actually lies on the z axis itself. So that is why the coordinates will be 0, 0, 70. Just try to understand this one. This is very important actually. So what are the coordinates of the point B? You can take B as the origin, that will A as the origin, and that will simplify the problem. Oটা চাচ্ছি না. Just based on this problem, you do it. So let us take the origin where it is given. ঠিক আছে? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone just check whether you are able to find out the coordinates of the point B actually. That is very important. A is comparatively easier because in the point A is directly relying on the Z axis. So that is why for the point A it is easier. So for the point A, the coordinates will be 0, 0, 70. So the coordinates of the point B, just you try to follow whether you are able to follow this one. This is 35 minus 25 and 10. Just try to follow whether you are able to find out the coordinates of the point B. So these are the coordinates of the point B, and these are the coordinates of the point A. So just see whether you can follow this one. Then I will proceed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yellow, Pias কোথায়? Pias?
Yes, sir.
বলো বলো।
35,
Hello.
25, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 10 meter.
হ্যাঁ,
Sir,
10
10 meter
মিটারটা
টা
জাস্ট, হ্যাঁ 10 মিটার হচ্ছে, দেখো বিটা কিন্তু বি is not lying on the xy plane, it is above the xy plane. So how much above the xy plane? You can see that it is 10. মানে এটা ড্র
Oh.
করাটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইটস ডিফিকাল্ট, মানে আমার পক্ষে একটু ডিফিকাল্ট, তাই আমি ড্র করিনি। সো জাস্ট ইফ আই কুড ড্র জাস্ট আ লাইন ডায়াগ্রাম, সো জাস্ট ইউ ক্যান ফলো। সো এইটা হচ্ছে, আই থিঙ্ক দিস ওয়ান ইজ এক্স, this one is y, and this one is z. So you can see the b point actually. So the b point is lying somewhere here actually. So it is from the xy plane, it is above by 10. This is 10. And on the y axis, so if this is the negative y axis, so I am going back by কত যাচ্ছি দেখো, just 1 minute. এটা যাচ্ছি হচ্ছে তোমার on the back direction it is 25. So I am going back 25. আচ্ছা, এটা হলো x, y, আর x হচ্ছে this distance. So this distance is 35. So this the point B lies somewhere around here. So it is not on the xy plane, it is above the xy plane by 10. So that is why the coordinates will be, so this is 35 from the O point, this is 35. This distance is 35. You can follow? Hello? So this
Hello,
will be
sir.
plus
OB
35.
875.
Hmm?
OB 875.
875. আচ্ছা, এইটা ফলো করতে পারছো তো? This is 35. X from the 0 point, the x coordinate of the point B is 35. Then what is the y coordinate? So it is in the negative y direction. So this is minus 25. And the z direction, so it is not on the xy plane, it is above the xy plane by 10. So that is why this is 10. So just you follow from the point O you start. So what is x? So it is from 35 distance in the x direction. Y is, you have to move again by 25 in the negative y direction, and then you have to go up. So this is the, and then this is 10. So compared to the origin, it is lying somewhere here. So this is the point B. Just to try to follow the figure actually. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the z-axis. So দেখো, from the point O, this is 35, so x will be 35. Y is actually minus 25. It is away from the y-axis in the negative direction. It is lying on the y-axis at a certain distance 25 in the negative y direction, and above the xy plane it is at the length of 10 millimeter, 10 actually. So the coordinates of the point B will be 35 minus 25 and 10. Hey, Aditya, who is Aditya? Who is Aditya? Aditya Raj. Hello, who is Aditya Raj?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to ask me something?
No, sir.
Then why are you in the unmute mode?
It clicked by. I didn't saw it first.
Huh?
So by mistake it happens. I didn't click.
Okay, so you should be always in the mute mode unless you want unless you want to ask me something. ঠিক আছে, এটা ক্লিয়ার আছে পিয়াস? দেখো।
Yes, sir. Sir,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
877 AB, sir, AB 877 আসছে, but answer নেই।
877টা কেন আসছে বুঝতে পারছি না, কি বলছো একটু বলো।
স্যার স্যার হচ্ছে বি কোঅর্ডিনেটে হচ্ছে 25 √25 স্কোয়ার প্লাস
ওটা আমি
35
করছি,
স্কোয়ার।
ওটা দরকার নেই, এখনই লেন্থটা বার করার দরকার নেই, লেন্থ পার্টটা আমি করছি, ওটা আমি করব। জাস্ট আমি কোঅর্ডিনেটটা পেলেই হলো, জাস্ট আমি ইনিশিয়ালি জাস্ট আই ওয়ান্ট টু ফাইন্ড আউট হোয়াট আর দ্য কোঅর্ডিনেটস অফ দি পয়েন্ট। So once I get this coordinates, এই coordinates হলো পেয়ে গেলে, now I can write the vector RAB. So let me find out what is vector RAB. So that will be actually this 35 minus 0 I cap plus minus 25 minus 25 minus 0 j cap plus 10 minus 70 k cap. So that should come out to be 35 I cap minus 25 j cap minus 60 k cap. So this is the position vector RAB. Now let us go for the problem. So আমাদেরকে কি বের করতে হবে? So we need the magnitude of the force T actually. So এই যে ম্যাগনিটিউডটা কত আছে দেখো, magnitude of the force is 12 kilonewton.
73.82।
এখানে তো ফোর্স ভেক্টর বের করতে বলেছে, কোনো ভ্যালু ডাইরেক্টলি আসবে না। You won't get directly a value actually. You are supposed to find out the vector T actually. So vector T is the magnitude of the vector T. So the magnitude of the vector T is given to be 12 kilonewton. Just look at the problem. ঠিক আছে, let me just write it again. So এইখানে তোমার আছে হচ্ছে magnitude of the force vector into the RAB vector divided by the magnitude of the RAB vector. So this is given to be 12 and the AB vector we have calculated. So the AB vector is this one. So just write it down, 35 minus 25 minus 60. So this is 35I minus 25J minus 60 K cap divided by what will be the magnitude of this one. So the magnitude is actually 35 square plus minus 25 square plus minus 60 square. So this is totally the unit vector actually in the direction of T. So what will be T vector? So just do the calculations. So you will be getting something in kilonewton. This is a vector actually. So just I am writing down the answer since we are running short of time. So this should come out to be minus 4.06 j cap minus 9.75 k cap. এটা একটু বাড়িতে করো, এটা পেয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? So this is how you have to find out a position vector. So this is one method actually where you are given the coordinates. So once you are given the coordinates and all, this is the best way that you can do. So let's just move on to the next problem. Amra next problem tate jacchi. Let's move to the problem 294. It is also a similar sort of problem. So you can see that there is a cable AB actually which connects two structure and carries a tension of 400 newtons. So we have to express the force vector which acts on point A as a vector in terms of the unit vectors I cap, J cap and K cap. So it's just a way of expressing. So just you have to find out the force vector and then we have to find out the projection also. So the first part is very easy, but still I want to do the projection part. So that is why I will be doing the total problem actually. So this is just similar to the first problem. So you want me to draw this one or directly from the figure you can follow? Draw করলে একটু time যাবে আর কিছু না। So you have the book. I hope that is the best way that you can follow the figure given in the book actually. And in terms of the coordinates, that is very important. So just see whether you are able to follow, else I will be drawing the problem for you. So the F vector, just as the last case, so the magnitude of the force vector into n AB cap. So what is the magnitude of the force vector? So you can see that the magnitude of the force vector is given to be 400 newtons. So that is known. So what else is we require? We require the coordinates of the points A and B. So uh, so just you have to find out what are the coordinates of the points A, B. So in order to find out, so just as similar to the last problem actually, so write it as R. Generally I write it as R. The position vector I write it as R. So this is R. আচ্ছা এটা এটা তোমার ইয়ে ছিল না? So this was actually the unit vector. So this is RAB vector divided by magnitude of the RAB vector. So let us find out the AB vector. So in order to find out the AB vector, so just write down the coordinates of the B point and write down the coordinates of the A point. So what are the coordinates of the B point? So the coordinates of the B point are, so the origin is given. So in this case, the B actually, you can see that B, the X is 350. Just try to follow actually, if you are able to just follow. So B point, what are the coordinates? So the coordinate for the B point is, so we will be expressing in meters actually. So B point X is actually your 35. So that is 0.35, I think. Correct? What is the X? Sorry, not not
Yes, sir.
0.35. B point is below. B is given on the right side. So B is 0.15. Sorry. The string is in মানে এরকম আছে stringটা এটা আঁকাটা খুব মুশকিল মানে আমার যদি বইটা থাকতো I could have drawn it easier but I have to follow this one. So it is something like this actually. B point is somewhere around here. So here we have the origin and this is the x axis, this is the y axis. ঠিক আছে? So B পয়েন্টের কি আছে দেখো এই পয়েন্টটা থেকে, so this distance is something like আমার this distance is কত আছে 0.15. So যেটা যেটা আমার দরকার হচ্ছে আমি সেটাই লিখছি. So this is 0.15 meter. So the x coordinate of B is 0.15. আচ্ছা y coordinate কি? It lies on the xy plane actually. So আচ্ছা y coordinate will be, sorry, y coordinate is this one. So this is 500 meters. So this one is 0.5. Just try to follow whether I am writing something wrong or not. And z is, it is on the xy plane, so z will be 0. Similarly for the point A actually, so A, for the point A, the x coordinate is 0.35, y coordinate is 0. So for the point A, so this is actually, so this is the point A, so this thing is given to be 0.35 meter. So this is 0.35 meter and y is actually 0. And they both lie on the xy plane actually, so all the z things are 0. So just write down the coordinates of the point B. So B এর জন্য, so the x coordinate is 0.15. So this is 0.15. Y coordinate is your, see B point এর y টা কত আছে? It is 0.5. This one. So this is 0.5 and it is lying on the xy plane. So this will be 0. Z is 0. Similarly, the coordinates of the point A. So A is lying on the x-axis. So it will be having only x. So that is 0.35 and other things will be 0. So this is 0.35, 0, 0. So now let us write down the position, write it in terms of position vector. So this is minus 0.15 minus 0.35 I cap plus 0.5 minus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So this should come out to be, so vector RAB, that should come out to be, so just আচ্ছা এটা একটু ভুল আছে, z এ কিছু একটা আছে দাঁড়াও।
Sir,
আচ্ছা
I think
b,
for B, Z is minus 0.1.
b is actually on the মানে b is having some z, this is মানে ওইটা উল্টো করে দেখানো হয়েছে বলে একটু ভুল হয়ে গেছে। So that is 0.1 actually. ঠিক আছে? It is below the y axis actually. So just if you could follow the picture, so I have to just বোঝানো খুব মুশকিল মানে। So beta, so b actually is having some y. So this b এর y টা হচ্ছে minus 0.1 k. ঠিক আছে? So this will be minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. So b is actually below. মানে এটা actually মানে let's এই পয়েন্টটা সরিয়ে দিই তাহলেই হবে। B is actually, this is 0.5. So let me arrive at the point B from the point 2. So what is the X? So X is actually 0.3. X is actually B এর জন্য কত আছে? X is 0.15 and Y is 0.5. So 0.5 and at this location I will be having another. কত আছে এটা? This one is 0.15 I think, তাই তো?
Yes,
And
sir.
then below it I am going a distance of, এইটা কত দেওয়া আছে দেখো?
And 0.1.
100 millimeter. So it is below the y axis or the xy plane. So এইটা হচ্ছে দেখো 0.1. So this is below the xy plane. I have to move down in the z direction by 0.1. আমি এটা j cap a k cap করে রাখছি for your convenience, so that you can understand that I am moving in the k cap direction. This I moved in the I cap direction, this I moved in the j cap direction, and this I moved in the k cap direction. Now let me complete AB. So B is this point. So this is actually AB. Clear? Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
B
Yes, sir.
is,
Yes, sir.
so it looks something like this. So I drew something wrong. So it looks something like this. B is below the xy plane actually by a distance of 0.1 meter. So now let's complete this one. So ekhane what will be the changes? So this one will just change. So k cap I missed out. So this will be 0.1 k cap minus hobe, huh? Minus 0.1 k cap. So এটা কত আসছে? Just you could do the simplification. So this should come out to be minus 0.2 I cap plus 0.5 j cap minus 0.1 k cap. So this entire thing is in kilonewtons. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's find out the force
Sir,
vector.
आरता तो
सर
मीटर है अभी.
यूनिट मीटर होगा ना?
हाँ इसका यूनिट
RAB
मीटर होगा. কোনটা ছিল? আচ্ছা এটা this I am just doing the, so this will mean এখানে লেখার দরকার নেই. Let's calculate the force and then write the unit. So what will be the F? So the given to be 400 and this is the unit vector actually. So this is minus 0.2 I cap plus 0.5 j cap plus 0.5 j cap minus 0.1 k cap divided by the magnitude. So the magnitude will be minus 0.2 whole square. So this is minus 0.2 whole square. Just wait a minute. Hang coach to plus 0.5 whole square plus minus 0.1 whole square. So just you can do this one at your home. So it should come out to be something like, I'm just writing the answer. So minus 146.1 I cap
370
plus
365
365 plus 365
minus
j cap
73
minus 73 k
minus
cap
73.
kilonewton. So this is the force vector, what it should come out to be. So next part of the problem is see that we have to find out the projection on the x-axis.
Sir,
So just
এটাই
during
বোধহয়
discussion
কিলো
I
হবে
just,
নাকি? স্যার
हाँ
ফোর্সটা নিউটনে হবে না, কারণ কি আমরা তো 400 নিয়েছিলাম.
নিউটনে হবে, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, নিউটনে হবে, ঠিক আছে, এক সেকেন্ড, just 1 minute. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So ঠিক আছে, so force টা will be in Newton, আমি এটা ভুল লিখেছি। আচ্ছা, let's move on to the next part. So we have to find out the projection of the force onto the x axis. So just I was discussing, so either you can be asked to find out the projection of one vector over another vector, or you can be you may need to find out the projection of the force on an axis actually. So that's why I defined one line OL actually. So in that case, OL was the axis during our derivation actually. So we took a line OL actually, and we find a unit vector OL cap actually. So in this case actually, we have to find out the projection of the vector, which is the vector F, on the x axis. So just x axis will be having some like it is only just I cap. So just if you could do that one, we will be getting the answer. So let us do that one. Just 1 minute. একটু hang করছে, ঠিক আছে? So this won't be kilonewton. This will be only Newton, right? মুছেই দিই। So this was whatever answer you are getting in newtons. Let's move on to the next part. So in this case, actually, you have to find out the projection of the vector F on the x-axis. So just we had a discussion on how to find out the projection. So in order to find out the projection, so just what you do is you do a dot product actually. So what I can write is, so this is vector F dot nx cap. So this is the unit vector in the x direction. Correct. So I can write it to be the magnitude of the force vector. Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলছি একটু
Hello?
প্রথম থেকে বলেন, মাঝখানে আওয়াজটা কেটে গেছিল।
হ্যাঁ, আমি জাস্ট এটাকে একটু ভেঙে করছি। আই এম জাস্ট ট্রাইং টু ডু ইট ইন আ লাইক একটু ভেঙে জাস্ট জিনিসটাকে করার চেষ্টা করছি actually. ঠিক আছে? So in this case, we are supposed to find out the projection of the force on the x-axis. So just it is very easy problem. Just it's just a 1D problem that is given just for your understanding. So we're moving to more 3D problems. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So suppose I am having a force, and I have to find out its magnitude on the x-axis. So generally, what I do is the concept is I do a f cos theta. So what I am actually doing, let me find out the dot product of the force with a unit vector in the x cap direction. So whatever is the direction that you are given, so just you find out the unit vector in that direction. So in this case, we are having x cap. So that is nx cap. So this will be I cap actually. Next step লিখে দেবো. So that is equal to f into nx cap into cos theta. But এটাকে তোমরা, if you want to be more conversant with the things we use, so let us write it as f into I cap. So that I will be having f into magnitude of I cap vector into cos theta. So what is this one? Magnitude is 1. So I am left with f cos theta. So whenever you have to find out the projection of a force, so f cos theta is actually the projection fp. So whenever you have to find out the projection of the force, so what you do is the force dot a unit vector in the direction where you need to find out the projection. Clear? So let us do f dot I cap. So f dot I cap. So what is the force we have got? So we have got to be something like কিছু একটা আমরা পেয়েছি. We have got like fx I cap plus, let me write it in the next page. So in order to find out the projection of the force, what I have to do is I have to do the dot product of the force vector into a unit vector in the direction where I need to find out the projection. So in our case actually, so this is the f vector. So I need to find out the projection in the I cap direction. So unit vector in the x-axis means I cap direction. Clear? So this is actually your fx I cap plus fy j cap plus fz k cap dot I cap. So what I should be getting? So I should be getting only fx, because other terms will cancel out. So when you do j cap dot I cap, that will cancel out, k cap dot I cap, that will cancel out. So only you will be getting fx. So whatever is the fx component that we have got, that is our answer. So what was fx that we got? So fx was this one. So that is minus 46 Newton. So this is just an easier problem. So just you get a feel actually. So whenever you need to find out the unit vector, so it can be a 3D problem where actually it won't be this much easier. Okay? So in that case, what you have to do is you have to multiply the force vector. You have to find the dot product of the vector into a unit vector where you need to find the projection. Just you remember this one. The 3D problems will be easier. So that is we did just a easier problem. So let's move to the next problem. So আমরা এটা করি. So try it by yourselves. এটা একটু
হ্যাঁ।
try করো. Just বলো.
স্যার মাইনাস হেয়ার signifies only direction না
Direction.
in
With
our
respect
answer.
to the coordinate. Yeah. With respect to the
Okay, sir.
coordinate system we have chosen. With respect to the XY coordinate system we have chosen. If I switch the coordinate somewhere here, that projection will come out to be something like different actually. That answer may come out to be different. ঠিক আছে? Either
Yes,
sign
sir.
or that may come out to be different. So this is with respect to the coordinate system you have adopted. So that is why whenever you are working with vectors, the coordinate system is important. So where you have chosen your coordinate system. So next problem আমাদের clear হয়ে যাবে. Next problem will make us something more clearer. See, in the next problem, we are just see the last line. Does it make any difference in the result which coordinate system is used? So that is what we have to determine. What is the coordinate system we are choosing? So in this case, see, they have mentioned two coordinate systems. One coordinate system is affixed at the point O. So at the point O, you are having an XYZ coordinate system of reference. And at the point C, they have attached a different coordinate system of reference, which is given by, say, X prime, Y prime, Z prime. So that is a different coordinate system that has been referred actually. So they just need to find out the express T as a vector. So whenever you have to remember that whenever you are working with vectors, or rather whenever you are working with like position vectors and all, the thing is actually becomes actually independent of the choice of the coordinate actually. ঠিক আছে? The force vector actually. That actually becomes independent of the choice of coordinate. So that is the first thing from the first class I have kept on discussing actually. So wherever is the point O you choose, that doesn't make any difference. যেটা আমি একটু আগে just I had a short discussion actually. একটু short করে আমি বললাম। এখনো জয়েন করে যাচ্ছে। কটা বাজলো দেখো 11টা বেজে গেছে, still someone joined. কি নাম যে জয়েন করলে? ভুল করে জয়েন করিয়ে ফেলেছি। আশিস, হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ
অনিক ম্যাম
আশিস, ঠিক আছে জয়েন করবে, জয়েন করবে, সরি join within 15 minutes. ঠিক আছে? After starting of the class, join within 15 minutes, 20 minutes, maximum half an hour. তারপরে 11 is too much. ঠিক আছে? So এটা ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে? Up to this, are you clear on this? একটু ক্লিয়ার করে নি দাঁড়া।
Yes, sir.
কালকে ক্লাস আছে তোমাদের? আবার তো থার্সডে, তাই তো? ফ্রাইডে তো আবার ছুটি পড়েছে না? I think Friday is a holiday.
Yes, sir.
So কালকে I have a drawing class. তো tomorrow যদি কোনো extra class arrange করতে পারো দেখো না। মানে either you can keep it on Saturday, but Saturday তো তোমাদের ওই এগুলো থাকে। You have your induction classes and all. সেজন্য কালকে কি কোনো ক্লাস অ্যারেঞ্জ করা সম্ভব? মানে you don't need to এইখানে এইরকম টাইমে হবে না, বিকজ কালকে আমার 10টা দিয়ে ড্রয়িং ক্লাস আছে ফার্স্ট ইয়ারেরই। So I have a drawing class from 10 to 1, 10 to 2, 11, 12, 1, sorry 10 to 1. So 1 এর পরে মেবি 10 to 1 হলো, ধর আমি 12 এর পরে আমি ফ্রি হয়ে যাব, 12:30 এর পরে আমি ফ্রি হয়ে যাব, 12:30 দিকে রাখতে পারো, 12:30 বা 1 থেকে যদি
আমাদের একটা অবধি ক্লাস আছে।
ও তোমাদের একটা অবধি ক্লাস আছে, হ্যাঁ
তাহলে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, অসুবিধা নেই, তোমরা একটু ডিসকাস করে নিও, ঠিক আছে? পরে আর মেল করো না, মানে ক্লাস পাঠিয়ে দেওয়ার পরে আর মেল করো না, জাস্ট তোমরা ইউ হ্যাভ আ ডিসকাশন অ্যামংস ইয়োরসেলফ। আমরা যদি কালকে আইদার ওই দুপুরের দিকে ধরো ফ্রম 1 to 2 বা 2 to 3 এটা রাখতে পারি, বা ধরো ইভিনিং এর দিকে ইট ক্যান বি লাইক 5 to 6 ওরকম একটা
ক্লাস আছে।
হ্যাঁ ও 2 তে ক্লাস আছে, তাহলে ছেড়ে দাও। তাহলে কবে করবে? স্যাটারডে একটু দেখো, যদি স্যাটারডে কোনো ক্লাস ফ্রি থাকে, 2 hours ক্লাস হলে অসুবিধা নেই, ইট মাইট বি এ ক্লাস অফ 2 hours, ঠিক আছে? যদি 2 hours ক্লাস হলে ভালো হয়, সরি। সো যদি স্যাটারডে যদি তোমরা 2 hours কখনো অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে পারো, একটু দেখো। মর্নিং এর দিকে ক্লাসে সবচেয়ে ভালো হয়, তাড়াতাড়িও হয়ে যায়। সো একটু দেখো, কালকেও যদি হয়, কালকে যদি এই দুপুরের দিকে যদি হয় একটু বলতে পারো আমাকে।
স্যার কালকে 3:30 পরে ক্লাস নেই।
3:30 তো হবে না, তাহলে তোমাকে ইভিনিং এ করো, তুমি ইভিনিং থেকে আমি ফ্রি থাকবো, লাইক 6 PM
না
অনওয়ার্ডস
স্যার
আমি ফ্রি
ইভিনিং
থাকবো। হ্যাঁ
স্যার তাহলে ইভিনিং এই নি।
ইভিনিং একটা টাইম তোমরা দেখে আমাকে বলো, সেই ইভিনিং এর দিকে যদি তোমরা ফ্রি থাকো, যেহেতু এখনো অনলাইন ক্লাস চলছে, ইভিনিং এর দিকে ধরো আমরা 6টা থেকে যদি বসতে পারি, 6টা থেকে 7টা, সেটা যদি হয় সেটাও হতে পারে, ঠিক আছে? বা 6:30 থেকে 7:30, যেটা হোক একটা কনভিনিয়েন্ট টাইমিং একটা, যদি আমরা মানে 1 বা 1.5 আওয়ার যদি করতে পারি খুব সুবিধা হয়। কিছুই না, অনেক কটা প্রবলেম তো সেই জন্যই ক্লাস নেওয়া, আর কিছু না, মানে
স্যার তাহলে
থিওরি
6টা
ওয়াইজ
থেকে
এটা হয়ে যাবে। ঠিক আছে, একটু নিজেরা ডিসাইড করে আমাকে একটু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দিও, তো আমি সেই হিসাবে মেল করবো, আগেই মেল করবো না, ঠিক আছে? সো এটা জাস্ট ইউ ক্যান সি যে দ্যাট দেয়ার ইজ আ লাইক অ্যাসেম্বলি সর্ট অফ থিং, একটি টার্ন বাকেল আছে, until it আচ্ছা টেনশন ইন দা সিডি দিয়েছে, দেখো সিডি। So in this case the direction has also been shown. So in the direction CD we are having a force, the magnitude of the force is given by 1.2, so just we have to express this as a vector. So it is the same problem code sheet, so you can do this problem by yourselves also, এটা বাড়িতেও করতে পারো, but still I am doing it. So the major part হচ্ছে next part টা। So next thing দেখো যে if I take a different coordinate system which is say suppose x prime y prime z prime, so that does that make any difference? What do you think?
No, sir.
So that is something you have to do it at your home, ঠিক আছে? So either you can say that since it's we are working with position vector and magnitude remains same, so মানে actually যদি force vector এ যাই, if we go for the force vector, আমাদের যে force vectorটা আছে ধরো এই যে t vector, so this is actually magnitude of the force vector into a unit vector in the direction. So this thing doesn't change based on the coordinate system actually. And this thing, whenever you are calculating, just either you can explain the thing like this. So this is C, this is D. So I had a discussion previously. I had a discussion. So let the origin be anywhere actually. So this is OC and this is OD. So ROD, and I need to find out RCD. So what will we suggest you write down the vector expressions. So this is ROC plus RCD, that is equal to R vector ROD. So RCD, that is equal to vector ROD minus ROC. So see, wherever you choose the origin, that doesn't come into picture actually. So whenever you go for the coordinate forms actually, so that doesn't come into the picture actually. বুঝতে পারছো what I am telling? So O can be any point on your reference frame actually. Just you need the coordinates of the point C and D actually. So ওটাকে যদি তুমি switch করো, so that will cancel out actually. Clear? মানে I take this to be say O 0,0,0. So if I take it to be something else, say suppose something like x কি বলবো, XL like shift take, let me take it as x something ধরো XL YL ZL, ঠিক আছে? So that shift, that will actually come in these two actually. When you calculate OD, that will come, and when you calculate OC, that will come. Just when you do the difference, that will cancel out. ঠিক আছে? Clear? বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
So either এটাকে তুমি 0,0 এইটাকে origin নিয়ে করতে পারো, বা you can take any point XL, YL, ZL. So these terms actually will cancel out when you find out the difference. So এটা যদি বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়, best thing is you solve the problem using x, y prime, z prime. যদি এটা বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়, that is the best thing you can do. So আমি এটা করে দিচ্ছি. So I am doing it মানে if you take the origin to be if you take the coordinates to be x, y prime, z prime, that will simplify actually. In that case, C actually becomes your origin itself. ঠিক আছে? So I am doing it based on the actual reference frame which is given. ঠিক আছে? So কি বলেছিল, দাঁড়াও আমি ভুলে গেলাম। So at your home, so I am just doing it based on x, y, z. So you at your home you do it as x, y, y prime, z prime, and see whether you are getting the same answer. So this is vector t into a unit vector in the CD direction. So this is vector t into NCD by RCD, position vector of CD divided by the magnitude of the position vector CD. So let's calculate what is RCD. So for that, write down the coordinates of the point D and the coordinates of the point C. So what are the coordinates of the point D? So the D point, it actually lies on the y-axis itself. So the coordinates of the point D will be 0, 3, 0. Correct? So this is 0, 3, 0. And what are the coordinates of the point C? So C at Chennai, you can see that it is x is minus 1.5. It is in the negative x direction. Y is actually your 3 plus 1.5, means 4.5. And Z is, Z কত হবে? Hello?
Sir, 4.5.
না এটা তো ডি পয়েন্ট, হ্যাঁ সি এ তোমার 4.5 হবে, ঠিক আছে? সো জাস্ট ইউ রাইট ইট ডাউন। সো কি কি এলো আমাদের? সো কি কি এলো? এক্স টা কত এলো? -1.5, জাস্ট চেক। ওয়াই টা কত এলো? ওয়াই ওয়াজ 4.5 and z was also 4.5, I think. So this is the coordinates of the point C. So আমি যদি এটা করি 0 minus this, so it will become positive. So minus 1.5 I cap plus 3 minus 4.5. দাঁড়ো, এই C টা অ্যাকচুয়ালি তো, আচ্ছা x টা লিখলাম, y টা কত আছে C এর? আমি z টা লিখে ফেলেছি, y টা তোমার আছে হচ্ছে
0 হবে স্যার।
Sir, 0.
y is 0 actually, correct? হ্যাঁ,
Sir,
so
0.
এইটা 0 হবে, সেই জন্যই ভাবছি এটা ভুল হয়ে যাচ্ছে। So this one will be 0. Z টাকে I have written here. So this will be 0. ঠিক আছে? So this is 3 minus 0 plus 3 j cap minus 4.5 k cap. So just you do it at your home. Other things are same actually. So t vector, that should be equal to, the magnitude is 1.2 into just this one. You do it on it. বাড়িতে করো, similar sort of problem. K cap divided by root over of 1.5 square plus 3 square plus minus 4.5 whole square. So it should come out to be, I mean answer টা লিখে দিচ্ছি, 0.32 I cap. So it should come out to be 0.32 I cap plus 0.64 J cap আর কি আছে minus 0.962 K cap. So this is the answer. At your, what you do is you take this one as the you take x prime, y prime, z prime as the coordinate system, or rather C as the origin. So if you take the C as the origin, just find out the coordinates of the point D. So that will simplify the problem and see whether you are getting the same answer. I hope this you can do it at your home and match with this one. So you know the answer, you just match with this one. You can do it?
Yes sir.
Okay. So আমরা নেক্সট প্রবলেমে চলে যাচ্ছি, 297 এ চলে যাচ্ছি। টাইম হলে আমাকে একটু বলো, ঠিক আছে? সিআর, সিআর কে কে আছো? পিয়াস আর মৈনাক, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
মৈনাক আর কে আছে? আর কেউ আছো সিআর?
পিয়াস ছিল তো।
পিয়াস আছে,
হ্যাঁ,
মৈনাক
আছে,
আছে, আর কেউ আছো? হ্যাঁ, যাই হোক, যে কেউ একজন আমাকে একটু মনে করিয়ে দেবে। হ্যাঁ, 11 কত 45 অব্দি তো নিতে পারবো, তাই তো? অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সে 10 মিনিট মতো লাগে। হ্যালো,
স্যার বাই দ্য ওয়ে ফিজিক্স স্যার ফোন করে। হ্যালো।
বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
বলো।
ফিজিক্স স্যার ফোন করেছিলেন, উনি বললেন 12টা 15 থেকে ক্লাস নেবেন। তাহলে
ও,
যদি আপনি
তাহলে
12টা
তো আমার
পর্যন্ত নিতে
আরামসে
চান
আমি
প্রবলেম।
12 দিয়ে নিতে problem. This problem we had a discussion. এই প্রবলেমটা just total theory actually I had discussed, মানে related to this problem. So you can see that there is a turnbuckle is tightened until the tension in the cable OA is 5 kilonewton. So the OA cable, so that is a string actually. So that is actually carrying a tension of 5 kilonewton. That rope or string sort of thing, OA, that is fitted with the turnbuckle. ঠিক আছে? So turnbuckle is something that is actually, that can be used for I mean tightening or loosening something. ঠিক আছে, that is just something that is fitted on the railway lines and all, you can see. So in the summer season it actually sags, so that is why you might need to increase the tension, so you can rotate the turnbuckle and that will increase the tension in the string OA. And similarly, if you need to reduce the tension, so in that case, in the winter season, so in that case you can just unscrew the turnbuckle and then you can like reduce the tension in the string OA. Okay, the turnbuckle is a very useful instrument, instrument that can be used for reducing the tension or increasing the tension. Just you can tighten the bolts and then you can get a higher tension, and you can loosen the bolts, you can get a lower tension. So design of the turnbuckle, that is an important part in mechanical designs actually. So in this case, the tension in the string OA is given to be 5 kilonewton, and we have to express F and the projection into the y-axis and onto the line OB. So OB is just a different line, and note that the lines OB and OC lie on the XY plane. ঠিক আছে? So the first part is very easy. I had a discussion, মানে একদম প্রথমে I had a like discussion, so তার উপরে বেস করে I am doing it since I want to do this OB part. সেটার জন্য এই প্রবলেমটা করা, otherwise the things are very মানে conversant and convenient for you. So আমি just করে যাচ্ছি, if you feel problems you can ask. So এটা Z ছিল, এইখানে you are having the force. This is O, this is A. This is given to be 5 kilonewton. So 8 again. So if I project this one on the XY plane, so this is the projection of the force. So it will be, so this angle is given to be, so this angle is actually given. It is C point bola ache. So this angle is given to be, so A angle ta, this is given to be 50 degrees. So let's calculate what are the components. So TXY. So TXY will be equal to ki hobe? That will be 5 cos 50 degree. TZ, that will be equal to 5 sin 50 degree. ঠিক আছে, জাস্ট এর সাথে একটা প্যারালাল লাইন ড্র করো এইখানে, মানে প্যারালাল টু দিস OC লাইন you draw a line, so you will be getting the Z component. So here is the point, আচ্ছা এখানে একটা পয়েন্ট আছে. So this is the FZ component, এইটা টোটালটা. So এই যে FZ component বা কিভাবে দিই, যাই হোক এইটা, this one is the FZ component and this one is the FXY component. So this is FXY. এবার এইটার আরো দুটো কম্পোনেন্ট হবে, let's calculate the components. So I hope you can understand. Now this angle is given, so this is 65. So এই যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা, so this angle is given to be 65. Then এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা যদি 65 degree হয়, so what are the components? So just now break it in the XY components. So this is the Y component, and you draw a line parallel to the Y axis so that you get the X component. So this one is the X component, Fx. Component F. So let's Fx say will be equal to কি হবে? Fxy cos 5. So Fxy, আচ্ছা এটা T না F কি সব F T করে ফেলেছিল, এটা F আমি লিখে দিচ্ছি, হ্যাঁ? I hope you won't mind when I have written everything as T. I have to এটা মুছতে হবে. This was T actually, ঠিক আছে? So I have written it as F, so that is why I am replacing it by F everywhere. So this is F XY cos 60 degree, and F আর কি আছে Fy, that will be equal to Fxy sin 60 degree. Clear?
স্যার 65
Actually 65, sorry এগুলো একটু আমাকে ক্লিয়ার কারেক্ট করে দিও, নাহলে কি হবে আমি লেখার সময় ভুল লিখে ফেলছি, আবার পরে এগুলো চেঞ্জ করতে হচ্ছে। এখানে চেঞ্জ করা খুব সমস্যা এই পেন ট্যাবে। ঠিক আছে, ক্লিয়ার? সো এই পার্টটা হয়ে গেল। সো দিস পার্ট ইজ ডান। আই হোপ এই পার্টটাতে আর কোনো প্রবলেম নেই। নেক্সট পার্ট, ইন দ্য নেক্সট পার্ট হোয়াট ইউ আর গিভেন ইজ, আমি একটু আলাদা করে লিখে দিচ্ছি, জাস্ট লেট মি টেক সাম টাইম। তাহলে একটার উপরে সব ওভারল্যাপ করে দিলে কিছু ক্লিয়ার হবে না। সো কি কি দেওয়া আছে দেখো, এইটা দেওয়া আছে এক্স, এইটা দেওয়া আছে ওয়াই, এইখানে তোমার জেড। সো এইখানে there is a different frame OB. So this angle is given to be 30 degree, and we are supposed to find out the projection of this force vector F on this line OB. So OB is just any arbitrary direction. So if I could find out the unit vector in the direction OB and multiply and find the dot product, এটা F লিখবো না T লিখবো? F ই লিখছি, ঠিক আছে, নাকি T লিখবো? T আছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি, আমি ভুল করে আগেরটাতে F লিখে ফেলেছি, ঠিক আছে। So this is O. So what are we supposed to find out? We are supposed to find out the projection of F on the y-axis on the line AB. So on the y-axis is very easy. I hope you can do it now. So y-axis টা পারবে নিজেরা?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it on the y-axis. So Fy. So that is directly Fy. That is what you get actually, nothing else. So just do F dot a unit vector in the direction y cap. So that is vector F dot j cap. So just whatever is the component, you will be getting Fy directly. ঠিক আছে? Just you do the dot product. In the dot product only, you will be having the y component. Other components will become 0. So and for this one OB I have to do. ঠিক আছে? So OB এর জন্য কি করে আমি করব? So I have to find out. So কি করে করব? আমি একদম ফার্স্ট ক্লাসে একটা ডিসকাস করেছিলাম এরকম ধরনের, যেখানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডাইরেকশনটা শুধু দেওয়া আছে। কি করে করব? এনি সাজেশনস অর এনি হেল্প? Hello. So I am having vector T dot NOB. So this is the OB actually. So I need a unit vector in the direction OB. So এটা কি হবে? So this is the magnitude of vector T into magnitude of NOB cap into cos theta. ঠিক আছে? So this is 1. So this is a unit vector. So this will be 1. So this is T cos theta. So this is the your TOB itself. So this is the TOB. So in order to find TOB, what you have to do is you have to do a dot product of the force vector with a unit vector in the direction OB. So unit vector বের করার জন্য in this case I have discussed actually. So what you have to do is you have to take R. You don't know the distance actually. So just at any distance R. So you take any point at a distance R actually. You assume any point at a distance R. So that point will be having some x, some y. So let us assume any point at a distance R actually. So that will be having two components. So this will be your R cos theta and this will be your R sin theta. So NOB, so ROB. So what will be vector ROB? So that will be equal to কি হবে? Your
R cos theta
I cap. So এই থিটাটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি 30 ডিগ্রি, ঠিক আছে? থিটাটা আমি লিখছি না, থিটাটা 30 করে দিচ্ছি। থিটা is given. So this is R cos 30 degree I cap plus sin 30 degree J cap.
0.
ঠিক আছে? So what will be a unit vector in the direction of AB? So that will be equal to vector ROB divided by magnitude of ROB. So that is equal to this R will actually cancel out. Why? I hope you can understand now. ঠিক আছে? So this is R cos 30. So this is R cos 30 I cap plus sin 30 degree J cap divided by root over of all these things. So sin square plus cos square will be 1. This will be R. R and R will cancel out. So you're left with this one. Correct? So what will be TOB? So now you can do it. So TOB will be vector T into dot NOB cap. So vector T was, so no need to write everything. Just write the things and let's see what actually we get. Plus TZ K cap dot. So this is something we got to be cos 30 I plus sine 30 j cap. So this is cos 30i plus sine 30 j cap. So whenever I do this dot product, I should be having কি হবে?
tx cos
কি হবে বলো?
30 plus
Tx
ty
cos
sin
30.
30
Very good.
plus ty
And there is no z in this one, so ওটা থাকবে না. So this is t cos 30 I cap plus ty sin 30. So just if put all the values. So you know tx, you know ty. So we have calculated tx, we have calculated ty, so you put the values. So it came out to be কত এসেছিল? দেখো তো যা যা এসেছিল আমি আর ক্যালকুলেট করিনি, তোমরা একটু বসাবে, জাস্ট পুট দ্য ভ্যালুজ। এটা টি না এটা এফ আছে এখানে, ঠিক আছে? সো জাস্ট পুট দ্য ভ্যালুজ। So if you put the values, you should be getting it to be 2.63 kilonewton. Clear? See, the answer is 2.63 kilonewton that is given. So you can try this
Yes,
one
sir.
at your home and see what is the answer that you are getting. দেখো এটা ক্লিয়ার, না হলে জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো। Is it clear to you? Or you can ask me if you are unable to understand or the things are not clearer for you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, first we have to break all the forces in its component x, y, and z. Then we have to find TOB.
Just 1 minute, sir. What is the question?
Sir, at first we are breaking the in components x, y, and z. Then we are finding TOB.
So you want to do it directly from T?
No, sir. In here, what you have done that you have first break the
You have to find.
its component.
So you have to first find out the force vector. I mean the T vector. You have to find out. So unless you don't find out this T vector, how can you do that? So initially you have to express T as a vector. So that is the first part of the problem. And once you find out the T vector, so T vector dot product of A and OB cap, that will give you the projection in any direction OB. So this is the vector thing that we are doing. So initially you have to express the vector or the force vector in terms of a vector actually. So unless you do that, how else you can do this problem? Right now? And you want to suggest something, some other method? And I couldn't get the মানে কি বলতে চাইছো, I couldn't understand. মানে what you are telling, just মানে একটু বলো what you are trying to suggest.
No, doubt is clear, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the next problem. So next problem গুলো দেখো একই ধরনের আছে, just problem number 298, just you express it as a vector. So just as I discussed, so you find out the coordinates of the point B, you find out the coordinates of the point A, that will do. The next problem is also similar. So in this case, this is just একটু difficult আছে, still I am leaving it for you. So this one is very easy, just you have to find out the মানে r cos theta r sin theta করি হয়ে যাবে. So just you can do it using r cos theta r sin theta itself. So ওইটাতে আমি আর যাচ্ছি না, so I am just moving to some problems where actually এখানে একটা কিউব দিয়ে করা আছে. So some problems are there where you are given a cube and then you have to do. So 101 and 101 এই দুটো খুব important. So let me start with 100 and if time permits I will complete 101. So these two are very important problems যেটা আমি today will be discussing. So let's start with problem number 2100. So you can see that there is a force, it's having some magnitude 500 pounds and acts on the line AM. So the line AM is actually given where AM is the midpoint of the vertical side OB of the parallelepiped. So it's a comparatively easier problem. Still, let's do it and express F as its magnitude times the appropriate unit vector and determine the x, y and the z scalar component. So just you have to find out vector A for that one. So it is just embedded. So the force is just embedded in a parallelepiped and then you have to complete the problem. So the next problem is comparatively difficult, so that we will be discussing. এটা আমি একটু করে নিই। So the problem just either you can follow from the book or just I am drawing the XY and the Z references and then doing it. I'm not drawing the entire parallelepiped আমি আর আঁকছি না, ঠিক আছে? That will মানে একটু difficult drawing টা করা for me at least. So this is the x-axis. Here you are having the y-axis. What else? এইখানে দেখো you are having the z-axis somewhere around here. So here you are having 2 points. So this is the midpoint. So this is M. And here you are actually having this point B. What else? There is a point A. So A is having a certain point, say, so আঁকতেই হবে একটুখানি। Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, so এখানে কতটা ছিল? Just I had done somewhat. So এটা ছিল 16, 16, 10. What I could see. So this was একটু দাঁড়াও। Just if you could help me out. This was 10. This was 16. Total is 16. So this is 8, 8, I think. Correct. So now let us. I hope. So this is the origin that's given. So এখান থেকে. So let's write out the force vector. So that is equal to force into n am cap. So this is a unit vector in the direction am. So let's write out this n am vector. So that is equal to the coordinates of the just as we do rather. So r om minus r oa. So what are the coordinates of the point am? So m এর coordinate taking, I do it by the coordinate method. You can do from the a method also, just position vector method. Coordinates are সুবিধা হয়ে যায়. So what are the coordinates of the point m? It lies on the z axis. So it is 0, 0, 8. তাই তো? Coordinates of the point m. And what are the coordinates of the point a? So a will be like this is the negative x axis. So this is a will be minus 16. Y টা কত আছে বলো? 10. Very good. Minus 16. কমা কে বলছে এটা? এটা কি নাম? Sudhir Kumar নাকি? এটা কি নাম? Sudhir Kumar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sudhir, your name I noted the last day, right? Sudhir, I think
Yes.
he answers a lot. Very good. Okay, so কত ছিল? Minus 16, 10, 0. I think it is on the x-axis, so this will be 0. So these are the coordinates of the point A. So what will be n am? So vector n am, n at r. Let me make it r. Generally n I write when it's a unit vector. So this should come out to be 16 I cap minus 10 j cap plus 8 k cap. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
বলো
Sir,
বলো
I will have to log in from another device. My phone is completely
Yes, sure,
discharged.
sure, log in. Whenever you have any problem, you can just tell me. We'll just letting you in. আচ্ছা এই প্রবলেমটা সো এইটা দেখো বাকিটা you can do it just the other parts you can do so you can just write down the answers I am just telling you the answers so fx is actually your 390 pounds just একটু লিখে নাও you complete it at your home বাকিটা পারবে তো I hope the other part you can do you have to do rather so this is 690 pounds
Yes, sir.
fy is actually minus 244 pounds and FZ will come out to be 198.2 pounds. So complete it at your home. Let's move on to the next problem. So a problem is a sort of a difficult problem, and a rather lengthy problem, not a difficult one, but rather a lengthy problem. So the magnitude of the force is given and is directed from the point A to B. So you can see that it is directed from the points A to B, and we have to calculate the projection of the force CD a projection of F on a line CD. So CD is any arbitrary line you can see. So just we have to find out the projection of the force F on the line CD and also we have to find out the angle theta between F and CD. So the total concept of projections, the dot product comes into picture. So dot product actually helps us to find out two things. One is actually the projection of a vector on another vector, number one, which was the number one part. Projection of the force on the line CD and projection and dot product also helps us to find out the angle between two forces. So if I know vector F, if I know CD, from there I can also determine what is the angle between the force and the line CD. So the main thing in this problem is you are not given any coordinate systems actually, but rather you are not given the axis system or the systems of reference. So that is the main thing, but that is immaterial actually because as I had discussed, you can take the origin somewhere around here as you like. So for the simplicity of this case actually, so I have tried it using taking coordinate at many points. I have tried with AB, taking A as the coordinate also, but as the origin also, but the best I could find is rather taking this point as the origin. I'm drawing it out. That point is not named. So that is something I find it to be easier. I found to be easier. So just you can do at your home also any point that you feel is convenient for you to do the problem. That is always acceptable. So I have to draw this one, I think, at least. So Z you can take on the upside also, okay? So that C actually comes to be positive. So let me take it on the upside. Anything, any reference system you choose, that is allowed. So this is something that I have chosen for this problem. So whatever I do, that will be based on this reference system. That's it. So I have to take one at least for doing this problem. So I have chosen this one. So this is the point A. This is the point B.
স্যার কিন্তু এটা যে রাইট হ্যান্ড থাম্ব রুল ফলো করছে না
এক্স্যাক্টলি ঠিক আছে ওই জন্যই আমি ডাউন সাইড নিয়েছিলাম ভেরি গুড ভেরি গুড হ্যাঁ so that is why I took it on the round side sorry so whenever you're choosing one এটা কে বললো এটা
ইমন ঘোষ
ইমন বাহ ভেরি গুড মানে at least very good observation ঠিক আছে সো এইখানে হয়তো আনসারটা ডিফার করতো না মেবি ইন দিস কেস দ্য আনসার will not differ actually but still actually when you work with moments and all ওটা একটা বিরাট প্রবলেম হয়ে যেত at least you will be getting a মানে কি বলবো you will not be getting a মানে কি বলবো মানে acceptable answer rather answer তো পাবেই not an acceptable answer so the এই problemটা at least for this problem so this is something this is a good suggestion from his end actually ঠিক আছে, ভেরি গুড সাজেশন। সো এখানে আমি পয়েন্ট গুলো মার্ক করিনি, আচ্ছা সব তো আন্ডু করে দিলাম। সো দিস ইজ দ্য পয়েন্ট এ, দিস ইজ দ্য, আর কি ছিল, এইটা পয়েন্ট এ ছিল, এইটা ছিল পয়েন্ট বি। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ফোর্স ভেক্টর। আচ্ছা 11:45 সালে আমার কটা 12টা অব্দি বলেছো না?
স্যার 11:45 এখন বাজে।
হ্যাঁ 12টা অব্দি তো নেবো তো, 12:30টাতে তোমাদের পরে ক্লাস, তাই তো বললে না?
স্যার না,
না স্যার 12:15 স্যার।
12:15।
এই প্রবলেমটার পর স্যার প্রেজেন্টটা নিয়ে না।
নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, কারণ প্রেজেন্টে অনেক সময় দেরি হয়ে যায় এটা ওটা করতে, এটা করতে টাইম লাগবে তো, সেই বলছি। ঠিক আছে দাঁড়াও এটা করে নি, 15 মিনিট না, 12টায় করলে 15 মিনিট আমি নিয়ে নেবো, চিন্তা করতে হবে না। সো এই ফোর্সটা হচ্ছে 2 kilonewton. So this force is actually 2 kilonewton. So just what we have to do is, so vector F that is equal to magnitude of vector F into NAB, NAB cap, sorry, unit vector in the direction AB. So that should be actually vector F dot vector RAB divided by magnitude of the vector RAB. So we have to find out RAB. So RAB will be actually ROB minus vector ROA. So just find out what are the coordinates of the point B and what are the coordinates of the point A. So for the point B, what are the coordinates of the point B? So this, for this origin actually I haven't completed everything. মানে এখানে আঁকাটা কমপ্লিটই হয়নি। এগুলো কত কত ছিল? So this was 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, 0.2. 0.4, 0.4 or 0.2? So this is 0.2, this is 0.2, this was 0.4 and height is actually 0.2. Is a height, this height is actually 0.2. So the coordinates of the point B will be, so this is the x plane. So B will be 0.4, 0.4 minus 0.2.
0.4, 0.4.
0.4, ঠিক আছে, তোমরা কন্টিনিউ করতে থাকবে, ইউ উইল বি কন্টিনিউইং দ্য প্রবলেম, আই উইল বি কমপ্লিটিং দ্য অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স। সো দিস ইজ, মানে তাড়াতাড়ি করতে গেলে ভুল হয়ে যাবে। 0.4, 0.4 minus 0.2. Okay, what are the coordinates of the point A? So এটা দেখো, it lies on the x-axis, so only it will be having 0.200. So this will be 0.200. So this will be having the, so if I do it, so RAB that should be equal to 0.2 I cap, আর কি আছে বলো, plus 0.4 J cap minus 0.2 K cap. So if I could take 0.2 as common, I should be having I cap plus 2 J cap minus K cap. So আমরা RAB পেয়ে গেলাম। Let's now calculate the এটা আমি একটু অন্যভাবে করেছিলাম, just I tried it using a different way. Just I calculated L, M and N just for a sake of change, nothing else. So what will be L? So L will be equal to 0.2 divided by, you have to find out this one actually. So an entire this thing actually you have to calculate. So what will be L actually from this one? I'm doing it 0.2 divided by root over of entire thing actually. So that will be actually 0.2 into root 6. Just do it at your home. এটা একটু করবে বাড়িতে। So again this will be 0.4 divided by 0.2 root 6. 0.4 divided by 0.2 root 6, and this is actually minus 0.2 divided by 0.2 root 6, minus 0.2 divided by 0.2 root 6. So this one you know, I think, LMN, how to calculate. Hello?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
দেখো,
sir.
anyone কেউ যদি প্রবলেমে থাকো, মানে if anyone is having any problem, just you could ask, বা এটা জাস্ট একটু বাড়িতে রাদার একবার করে নিও, এটা এরকম ভাবে তুমি করতে পারো প্রবলেমটা, that is what I intend to tell. So this magnitude is 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So it should come out to be 0.2 root 6. So এটা এখানে বসে you can calculate L, M and N once you get those. So that will be actually the magnitude into magnitude of the force into Li plus mj plus n k cap. So the force vector, it came out to be, the magnitude was 2, and so এটা আমি actually total করেছিলাম. I did this, I just step wise আমার কাছে করা নেই. ম্যাগনিটিউডটা কত আছে? 2 আছে. So L was something কত ছিল? L was 1 by root 6. So I took this one as common. So inside I got I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. So this is something I got. Force vector.
Sir, final answer 0.817 I cap plus 1.635 J cap minus 0.817 K cap.
I have to check. ঠিক আছে, something like that also came. ঠিক আছে. So next is you have to calculate the CD vector. ঠিক আছে. So you have to calculate RCD. So এটা তোমরা নিজেরা করো. You continue. After taking the attendance, I will complete the next part if I get time. So this is ROC minus OD. So let's write out the coordinates of the point D, and let's write out the coordinates of the point C. So what are the coordinates of the point D now? D এর coordinate কি কি দেখো? D এর coordinate হচ্ছে it lies on the y axis. So you'll be having 0.40.
0.40.
0.40, correct? And what are the coordinates of the point C? So the coordinates of the point C is, it lies on the negative
0, 0,
so
minus
it lies on the
0.2. Minus 0.2.
0, 0 minus 0.2. 0, 0 minus 0.2. So this you will be having as 0 হয়ে যাবে. So you will be having 0.4 J cap plus 0.2 K cap. So this is, if I take 0.2 as common, so I am having 2 J cap plus K cap.